Hi, this is Dee with Arizona Home Watch. Just wanted to show you a little unusual weather for us. Usually it's blue skies and sunshine, and today it's cloudy, rainy, and cold. 52 degrees anyway, that's cold for us. Don't like it. A little bit chilly. Had to wear a jacket today. I know, wow. Most of the country's in snow. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, check out all my other stuff. Google Arizona Home Watch LLC. You'll find out all about my business and see my social media. Instagram, check me out on Instagram. I got a lot of cool pictures on there. All right, thanks for watching.